Hi, Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida, and today we're going to be on a beautiful 2014 Sea Ray 370 Venture. This is a really unique boat that Sea Ray designed. It's kind of referred to as the Swiss Army knife of boats because it's got so many cool, neat features. Starting out with, believe it or not, there's outboard motors right under those cowlings there that are lifted completely out of the water right now. So although this boat has a flat floor in it, like a lot of the stern drive boats do or a lot of the cruisers do, the outboard motors are mounted back here. Very quiet, very smooth, but the nice thing is it gives us all these features. Starting over here on the port side, you'll see this dinette area, full booth style dinette that we can fold the table over. So we've got a little more space either here in the cockpit, or we can turn it around so that we can have more space on the back. This also drops down, and this makes a complete bunk area here that you'll see is under the camper top. Now, this boat has great canvas. This camper top has a full enclosure, so you can fully enclose yourself in the boat for overnight or for storage, either one. It's also great storage underneath these seats here in this area. Over on the port side, over on the starboard side, you're going to see that we've got a nice, great L-shaped seating back here. Room to put a cooler in the front if you want to use that as a footrest or an extra seat as well. And then one of the neat features on this is a galley. So we've got a sink. And then over on this side, we have a cooktop as well as a Kenyon grill. And then the isotherm electric refrigerator as well. So full galley up here where it's nice, plenty of light, and you can serve people off the back of the boat and enjoy all the activities going on out here on the river or on the beach, wherever you may be. Great helm on this boat, lots of room to stand up and pilot. And speaking of pilot, this just has the Mercury joystick controls as well as sky hook, our auto heading, and the great features that come along with those SmartCraft controls as well as the joystick. You'll notice this boat is fully loaded. Got the 5-inch spotlight on the bow, Ray Marine electronics. And speaking of the bow, you notice we got a nice big area up front here for people to lay. There are cushions that go right there in the center so that you can put people up there, and there's covers for those cushions as well. Great access going forward. Very easy to walk up and walk out here on the bow area. And as we look back at the boat, notice the Ray Marine electronics, again, the radar. And then also just how nice and big this cockpit is from this view. Again, we can easily walk back down into the rear salon area here, the cockpit area on the boat. Center doorway going down into the cabin. And as we go down in the cabin, you'll notice here in the center that we have a nice big table for people to sit around. And once again, we can fold this over to make it easy for people to get in and out. And then you'll also notice the adjustments on the table base. That drops down, this fills in and makes a nice big bunk here in the front. Also notice we got lots of glass. This is all natural light coming in as well as from the hatch up front. Plenty of headroom here. So I'm 6'1". I got plenty of room to move around in this boat. It really is a sweet, sweet package. Over on the starboard side, we've got our television and entertainment center as well as the master distribution panel. And then in the head, vacuum flush potty as well as the shower. Vanity, nice storage area in the medicine cabinet above the sink, and a full mirror here on the door. As we go to the galley down below, we do have a sink here, microwave oven, as well as another refrigerator. Really great storage on this boat. All of these cabinets open up all the way around here in the salon area. So you've got great storage everywhere you take a look. So as we head back here to the aft cabin, full-size bunk, walk around with a nice little settee on the other side, as well as windows and the shade. Another seat here to change clothes. And then as we take a look at the full scope of this cabin, again, we've got a walk around bunk, headroom to move around to change clothes, and then you do have a drape that'll close this off to make it more of a private stateroom. Nice big windows to let light in, plenty of air conditioning, it works really well. Here's our TV for this rear cabin area. Super nice package. So once again, very easy to move around here in the 370 Venture. Lots of space, lots of room, lots of neat places for you to hang out. As we go back up here to the deck area, once again, I just want to give you a quick shot of how much space and how great this boat is. I'm Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers. Give me a call. I'd love to set up an appointment to show you this 370 Venture. Not a lot of these out in the market for sale right now. Very popular boat. Great for inland boating, for here on the Gulf Coast or wherever you might do your boating. Thank you.